Step into Chromesthesia, the debut solo exhibit by Miles Perry, where sound and colour merge into a dynamic, immersive experience. Inspired by the rhythms of jazz and hip-hop, Miles translates musical energy into vibrant visual forms, creating a multi-sensory dialogue between sight and sound. Each painting explores synesthesia, inviting viewers to feel the emotional intensity of music through colour and challenging traditional boundaries of art. Chromesthesia redefines how we perceive both music and visual art, offering a fresh, interactive experience.